Welcome to System Dynamics Online Tutorials. In this session we're going to cover job labor maintenance. What this application does is allow me to, for a job, change, delete, or modify any given labor components of that job so that the job can be processed or be acted upon in a different manner than normally would be acted upon. When a job is entered into the system, certain labor records are automatically created for it based on the structure and the routing that's associated with the product. This application, when I actually enter it, is allowing me to enter a new operation or labor requirement against the job. If I put this application into a query mode and actually select a given job that I wish to query, wish to change the labor records on, the system will go out and retrieve all of the labor requirements for the entire job. And I can use the cursor here to show that the operation and the given work center is actually changing. So these are the labor components that are required for job number 133 to create this product. And we can just cursor down through them all as far as the routing is concerned for this particular product. All the pertinent information of the given labor requirement is given on the screen. If there has been any associated work done against this product, then the actual labor cost will be created here. And as far as what's occurring at the given work center, we can see the labor time and the setup time and the number of workers down here, just as if we would see this on the routing file. So for any given reason, I was going to possibly increase the number of workers or increase the labor time just for this job. I could come into here and as an example here on operation 80 for the palletizer, we can possibly increase the labor time to it might be 10 for this particular job only, and the number of workers might be 2. And by simply committing that to the database, I have changed the labor requirement component of job 133 for operation 80. Likewise, I could continue to go down through other operations, and maybe on the last operation here, like the shrink wrapper, I might not be going to perform that. I'm simply going to load it on the skid, and I'm not going to shrink wrap. I could take this particular operation just for this job and remove it simply by deleting this particular record. And this particular operation just for job 133 has been removed. If I now go back and reprint this work order, since this is in a work order status, the material components and the labor components will print out, and the labor components will be different. It should be noted now that I cannot change the labor components of a job that is in a done status. So as soon as the job is actually done, I can't go and change the labor components of that particular job. This will only allow me to change the labor components of a job that is at a work order or a WIP status. And that concludes the job labor maintenance.